think they're ready for this though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode.
What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Pump Chasers. Now, before I show you this workout video, check out the back of my shirt. Okay? I'm giving these shirts away. I'm giving away 3 people in the comment section. All you gotta do, comment below, tell me what is your biggest motivation for training. Also, put your Instagram. I'm gonna pick the winner and I'm gonna DM you personally. My Instagram is Beastmode Jones. Comment below, tell me what's your biggest motivation for training, okay? And put your Instagram below. I'm picking 3 winners. So check it out, fam. This video right here, I had a friend come to town named Shawna. Now you guys been watching the channel a while. You've seen her quite a bit. She came to town and got some samples for the Pump Chasers line. While she was in town, we recorded a full body workout video. So check the video out and let me know what you guys think. Here I'm going to go a little faster. I'm going to show you this 5. This is 5 regular reps. Just focusing on concentration of the muscle. Right? That's concentration right there. But if I want to really work on mobility, I come all the way down. I lean forward with it, stretch my shoulders out, my shoulder blades, open my shoulder blades a little bit, and then come back. Really work on my mobility. Mobility, see? Open up, back in. But it won't help me just straight muscle growth. I'm gonna hang about right here and big bam. Keep right on the muscle. Keep right on the muscle. Keep right on the muscle. It all depends on what you want. All right, homies and homies, so check it out. I have my friend Shawna in town. You've been following me a while. You've already seen her many times. Okay, we decided to get a workout in. We couldn't really decide on what to hit, so we were like, fuck it, let's hit the whole body. Let's do a nice little full body workout, and it was a great workout, great full body pump. Started off with close grip pull-ups. Everything you're seeing in the video is gonna be 3 working sets, okay? Start off with some narrow grip pull-ups, then we did some wide grip pull-ups, 3 sets. I'll have the workout written in the description for the ones that happen to give a fuck, all right? So after we did our wide grip pull-ups, here you go in a minute, you'll see. There you go. I like to call these reverse shrugs. Hold your body up, right? Extend at the elbow, extend at the shoulder, and hold your body up for 20 seconds. Just focus on your breathing. It's gonna help to stay. See how she's shaking? It's gonna strengthen those stabilizers, guys. There you go. 20 seconds. If you're somebody that struggles with stability, try warming up your stabilizers first. As you saw, I had Shawna hold her body up for 20 seconds, and I did 30 seconds. That's really gonna help wake that body, get that central nervous system activated and engaged. Get those stabilizers nice and warmed up. It's really gonna help minimize your injury risk. When your stabilizers are nice and warm, it almost feels like you're on a Smith machine. It almost feels like you're on a machine because you feel so stable, okay? So we warmed up by holding ourselves up, then we did 3 working sets. Here we are doing hamstrings, some hams for the mams. Get those legs pumped up because we're about to do some squats in a moment. And here you see right here, we're doing our squats. Barefoot, no belt, okay? Now you don't have to do this, but on this particular day, we kept our weights moderate and we really focused on technique and reps. Shawna did 1 plate with squats, I did 2 plates. Barefoot, no belt, really taking our time on the reps, really staying at the bottom, nice and controlled. I'm even squeezing my glutes a little bit at the top, okay? No diddy, no diddy, okay? Squeezing my glutes at the top a little bit, okay? And here we are on the pec flies. We already did some dips, so the pecs had a nice little pump. Decided to throw a little bit of pec flies in. Now fam, if you like full body training, let's say for an example, you only have 3 days to dedicate in the gym, you might want to try my full body program. I came up with that program a couple of years back, and I've been getting so much great feedback. But fair warning, if you think this is too much volume, you damn sure don't want one of my programs. They're intermediate to advanced, okay? I created them for people who, let's say, already have a nice physique, but you want to go to full body so you can have more rest days to focus on other things. You might be in grind season. You might be in money getting season. You might only have 3 days to give to the gym. My full body program will keep you in the game 100. So here we are finishing off the workout with some arm work. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. And don't forget, I'm giving away 3 teas. Comment below, what helps keep you motivated? We already know it's all about discipline, but what helps motivate you? I want to know. Bam.
We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.